A very good morning to all of you. Standard 10, Chapter 4, Second Phase of Nationalism. The topic we are discussing about the contribution of the Lala Lajpat Rai. The first point is he is an educationist and a forceful writer. As an educationist and a forceful writer, he started a monthly magazine named Young India. After that, he started the publications to call Young India the political future of the India. Then he started the newspaper Punjabi, Vande Mataram and the People. Punjabi is in only Punjabi language, Vande Mataram is in Urdu language and the People is English weekly. He started a book of national education. He wrote a book on national education that called to reform the prevalent education system. Second point is social reformer. As a social reformer, he associated with the Arya Samaj. He started an expansion of the DAV college at Lahore and he opened the orphanages, hospitals and schools. He set up of a servant of the people society and leading the possession in a Lahore against the Simon Commission. As a political outside of the work of India, he went to abroad to mobile opinion in a favor of Indian freedom struggle. He went to America and joined Ghadar Party in 1914. Though his writing in Young India, he preached assertive nationalism, inspired the Indian youth and fired the patriotism in them. In 1928, when he leading the possession of in Lahore, he was injured in lathi charge. He succumbed to his injuries a month later. मतलब वो अपनी injuries को सह ना पाए. Succumbed means सह ना पाना. On November 17, 1928, he died. On the day when he was wounded, he said, "The lathi blows inflicted on me would prove someday as nails in the coffin of the British Empire." इसका मतलब ये था कि एक दिन जो उन पे लाठियाँ लगी हैं वो ब्रिटिश एम्पायर में एक नेल का काम करेंगी, कील का काम करेंगी जब वो इंडिया से यहाँ से बाहर जाएंगे. दिस प्रोफेसी वॉज फुलफिल्ड ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947. ये सब सारी चीज़ें 1947 15 अगस्त को पूरी हुई. द चैप्टर इज़ कम्प्लीटेड. Now I will send the assignment number 4 related this chapter, all the short question answers, and you have to write on your notebook. Thanks and God bless you.